You just saw that reality of people coming into town, some not worried about how the virus may affect them or their families. But doctors don't have that luxury of seeing it that way. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg hearing that firsthand tonight over at Valleywise Health in Phoenix. Nicole?
That's right, Katie. And the data shows hospitalizations are going up quicker than what the researchers thought and are already seeing. And I talked to a doctor here at Valleywise. He is volunteering to work Thanksgiving instead of being with his family.
My concern is that it's going to get worse. It's going to be extremely worse.
Dr. Carl Mitchell works in the emergency room at Valleywise Health and is seeing firsthand the rise in cases.
To be honest with you, I'm a little concerned that we're going to hit rates we haven't even seen. That we're going to be overwhelmed.
And all new, the Arizona modeling team made up of nearly 24 researchers putting out this model, saying the current data is outpacing last week's model looking at hospital capacity.
Things are looking like in the next week or two, our hospitals could be reaching capacity, or at least access to care could start to get limited.
The new data shows we will hit capacity in the next week or two compared to mid-December. We asked the executive director of the Biodesign Institute what this will mean and if we will see tents in field hospitals.
One of my concerns there is where are they going to get the staff to manage it? Because you can put all the beds and equipment you want under a tent, but if you don't have nurses to care for the patients, then how are you going to take care of those patients?
And that's why those on the front line, like Dr. Mitchell, making so many sacrifices. He won't be with his family this holiday, but will treat patients. And he fears the worst is still to come.
I don't want to get to the point where I have to look at somebody and say, okay, you die, you live, you die, you live. But, it might get to that point.
And sadly, when we see a rise in hospitalizations, then we see the lagging indicator, the deaths. So sadly, it will likely be a sad December for some. And it's going to really take all of us to do our part to turn this around. Reporting live in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.
Thank you.